Oh, look at the oats on that! What a beauty! That's one Kinky Biscuit. Kinky Biscuit wants a jolly good time. It's sadomasochistic, her love of the lime has got it acid covered in its crunchiest prime. Now it's been arrested for an unrelated crime. Me! You dirty biscuits! Kinky Biscuit wants a way out. Chains and lubrication's what it's dreaming about. Gimp masks, hip flasks and one greased up trout, adjusting the ball gag to muffle any shout. Hey! Can't shout with a ball gag, can ya? A little dirty biscuit, yeah. You dirty biscuits! Kinky Biscuit likes a dunking in a tea. It's getting it off before it's getting in me. Sweet to the taste and highly sugary. Mutual relations leading to ecstasy. Kinky Biscuit, you dirty little slag. Dirty little slag. Dirty little slag. Dirty slag. Biscuit.